And there are eggs in the nest. And this is a play about baby birds. Once upon a time, there were some birds. Lots of birds. They built a cozy, warm nest with feathers and twigs. There were red robins, blue jays, scrub jays, black-capped chickadees, redpolls, red-tailed hawks, osprey, great blue heron, hummingbirds, and snowy owls. All of the big birds came to see the little birds hatch. Can you hear them pipping? Not peeping, pipping. And then they hatched. So now they are hatchlings. And then they grew feathers. Because the mommy birds and the daddy birds brought them fish, worms, seeds, insects, gophers, snakes, and ground squirrels to eat. And now they are nestlings. And then they flapped and flapped and flapped to practice flying. And then they flew to branches in the yard, flapping. Now they could get their own food, and the mommies and daddies flew with them. And then they were old enough to leave the nest. So now they are fledglings. And all the birds live happily ever after. Come to the forest, my feathered friends. Come to the forest and take a bow.
I see an egg.
Take a bow, my friends. This was a wonderful play.
Hey, Mary, can we take them home?
You can take them home.
But I am
They're yours. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for coming. You're a wonderful audience.
Thank you. Good job. Very nice.
Give us one more nice, graceful
Oh,
flapping.
beautiful bird.
All right. And don't forget the tails. They all have tails.
Turn your tails around.
Show your tails.
Show your tails.
Shake those tails.
Okay. Thank you very much. Now what we're going to do, birds, is come over and we'll take your things off